secretary or the member secretary of the planning commission functions as the secretary of the council and all administrative assistance is rendered by planning commission. Okay, so it is the secretary or the member of the secretary of planning commission functions as the secretary of the council also. So let me write down, and all administrative assistance is rendered by the planning commission. So planning commission is very, very important here. So let me just rub this. So as I said, let me continue the point. The secretary or the member secretary of planning commission functions as the secretary of the council and and all administrative assistance which is there, it is being done by the secretary. Okay, and who is taking care of it? The planning commission. So assistant is done by planning commission. So don't forget, the planning commission is very famous for the financial assistant of the country, and the finance, all the departments are done by the planning commission. Okay, so that is why the secretary or the member of the planning commission functions as the secretary of the council, and all the administrative work or administrative, let me add up here, administrative I mean to say is assistance, is done by planning commission. All right, so now let us go to the next point, that is the functions of NDC. So let me just wrap this. Yes, functions of NDC. So very important, because we are taking one by one the most important bodies of planning commission. So functions of NDC. Okay, so let me keep on writing. To prescribe the guidelines for formulation of the national plan, including assessment of resources for the plan. So you have to prescribe the guidelines for formulation of the national plan, including the assessment of resources for the plan. Let me go with the second step. The second function. Yes. To consider the national plan as formulated by the planning commission. Third, to consider, so these are all the functions and you have to remember the functions. So to consider the important questions of society, that is social and economic policy affecting national development. Okay, so I'll continue, keep on writing the points. Okay, I'll go to the fourth one, the fourth function. Okay, so the fourth one is to review the working of the plan from time to time. So that was also there in Niti Aayog and Planning Commission, from time to time, and to recommend such measures, okay, which are necessary. Now, which are necessary, that is very important, which are necessary for achieving the aims and targets set out in the national plan. Okay, and what is another last function which is very, very important? This is one of the prime functions of NDC. So let me just rub this clear, let me clear it. Yes, so the fifth and the most important point, the prime function of the council is to act as a bridge between the union government. So this is more of political science also, that is also, so you know, you can, when you are studying for UPSC, you can combine and study political science with economics, so it will be more interesting and not at all boring for you. So between the union government, then planning commission and the state governments. Okay, so it is a forum, you know, it's a place, it's a platform for not only for discussion of plans and programs, but it is also for social and economic matters, you know, of the nation's importance are discussed in the forum before any policy is formulated. You know, generally which you see in the parliament as a discussion. So this practice, you know, is done, you know, where you know, NDC generally meets, you know, let me write down this also. So NDC meets twice a year. Okay, and till now, if you say 58 meetings of NDC have been held. So till now there are 58 meetings which have happened, you know, and this practice has a complete record of the discussion, and you know, so there's somebody who's recording the discussion, you know, and so there are subcommittees under the chairmanship of the United. So let me write down this point also, it's a very important point, so let me just write down. So the practice is to have a complete record of the discussion and gather out its general trends, like what is going on right now, what is the current situation, that is called as trends, you know, and find out particular conclusions. Okay, Now as you see, let me write down this, the sub committee under the chairmanship of Union Cabinet Minister or State Chief Minister are also formed under the NDC. So this is very important. Okay, so because purposely, if you want to do some consultations, and also subcommittee is being done under the chairmanship of the Union Cabinet Minister or State Chief Ministers are also formed under the National Development Council. Okay, so in the next class we will have a discussion on Finance Commission. Okay, so I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much. So I'll see you next in the next discussion, which we have is on Finance Commission. Okay.